Hello everyone, my name is Amparo Lopez and I am professor in the Hydraulic and Environmental Engineering Department at Universitat Politécnica de Valencia. In the learning object of today, we will be speaking about digitalization. And when we finish, we will be able to identify the main actions involving digitalization in water distribution networks, to list the main advantages of digitalization in such systems, and to be able to understand the scientific principles behind the action involved in digitalization in water distribution networks. So, what are we talking about? We are talking about water distributions in general, the concept of digitalization, why it is important in the digital transition process, and which are the agents involved in such actions. So, in general, what are water distribution systems? These are a part of the water supply network formed by components that carry drinking water from a centralized source to consumers at the end of a network. So they are formed by pipes, pumps, valves, any other systems, and in general they are pressurized, which means that the pressure is more or less than atmospheric and they are confined in pipes. In general, they are used for supply or for irrigation purposes. In this case, digitalization means to know the concept of pressure, flow, and quality control in a supervisory control and data acquisition systems. But digitalization is much more. All the data must be considered together to use all these data to take decisions in complex interactions by managers of the water distribution networks. So, in general, this has any implications related with censoring, with analytics, with artificial intelligence, with general terms, managing all this process of digitalization. So in the frame of water distribution systems, many agents are involved. Why is it important? It is not only important, it is necessary in order to improve the management of the water networks, in order to increase the efficiency, in order to meet the environmental objectives, and in order to use the data to take in smart decisions and to verify regulations. Which agents are involved in digitalization? We have data, but data is not only the main thing. Many other agents must be involved in the digitalization processes. Modeling. Modeling means the understanding and the processes to include all the aspects considered in the reality inside a set of equations in a model. So this must include climate change, integrate analysis, data series, calibration, validation, which is a long process to get involved models for digital systems. Censoring. Data are needed. We need data to control the physical parameters on the system, representing the water cycles in any time. So the sensors sending us the data are absolutely necessary in any case. Internet of Things. This allows the connections and communication of the device taking the data with the water system, with the model, with the modelers, in order to have some information to take decision, to monitor in any moment water and hydraulic resource systems. It gives us, together with the sensors, the complete monitoring of the whole system. Artificial intelligence and big data will make possible to analyze large amount of data, helping decision to take decisions, so decision making. So it will help to make decision of anomalies and any sort of consumption different. And digital twins, which are a virtual representation of a physical system and can be used to simulate the behavior, performance, and interactions on any conceptual and forecasting scenarios. So digital twins are much more than models because they interact with sensors, with SCADA, with all the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence and furthermore. So we have spoken about digitalization. It is a necessary process to bring water distribution networks to the future and optimize the control. And it is based on 5 pillars: sensor, modeling, IoT, artificial intelligence, and finally digital twins will help us as modelers or our analyzers to take decisions on the water distribution systems in general, for irrigation or for supply, but in general of supply system. Thank you very much. I hope it was of interest. Thank you.